Okay, we just received our package from Amazon. Okay, let's open this up, see what we got. Should be our power supply. Dual layer. This should be my micro. It's sealed. Multi-language instructions. Beautiful cable. Oh, twist ties, that's new. And hardware. Here we have modular, beautiful cables. Look at this packing material. Holy smokes. Check that out, man. I've never got anything delivered like this. And here we go. Okay, I wondered about it a little bit because the fan is on the top, so I'm going to have to well, actually the fan appears to be on the bottom. It's going to run cool. That's actually not bad since I went with 600 watts. You know, since I've gone with the 600 watts, it's going to run cool. So the fan will just be a circulator for inside. Look at this. Wow. Incredible. PC power and cooling. Can't go wrong. Okay. That almost completes my hardware for my PC build. I only need to get an optical drive. I wanted to go for the adapter and the micro cards, the small micro. This is Amazon Basics. This is the Amazon Basics micro SDHC. 16 gigabytes. This is the adapter. It slides in there.